At Spirit AeroSystems, safety, compliance and quality are the absolute foundations of our manufacturing system. We continue our journey to embed quality into every step of our manufacturing process and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Spirit AeroSystems is one of the world's largest Tier 1 suppliers of aerostructures. We design and we manufacture large assemblies for commercial, defense and business aircraft.
One of the biggest challenges we have is on missing, mislocated or misoriented brackets. So we want to have zero escapes to our customers because it inhibits their flow and it actually stops them from delivering product to their end customers. So we want to make sure all the parts were installed right first time. In order to ensure mistake-proofing in our manufacturing processes, we use DELMIA Augmented experience to make sure that we inspect the quality of the product while we are producing it, which we're able to accomplish with the help of Dassault Systèmes. So it was actually a smooth sailing in terms of how it is introduced, how it is being used, and how we used it.
Augmented reality technologies require CAD models because it overlays that CAD onto the product. With that, we launched a CATIA 3D model into DELMIA Augmented experience to create the content. Once we get the content optimized, then we release it through DELMIA Prezo to the manufacturing floor. DELMIA Augmented experience automatically detects the wireframe of the part, and we deployed it for missing, mislocated, misoriented parts. From the time we started the pilot to the time we actually had a full production scan, it took us 6 months. And this is a full closed-loop system that integrated DELMIA Prezo with DELMIA Augmented experience as well.
We had hands-on training with multiple devices and different users so we could find out what's suitable and best for the environment. They were really excited seeing digital technology being implemented into an inspection.
The solution also allows the mechanic and the inspectors to do their job much easier without looking for information. So really it improves the efficiency and also the time it takes to do that work.
Our customers have seen what we have done with DELMIA Augmented experience here, and so they have asked us to go make sure that we can expand for those areas so that we can ensure the customer that we have quality product all the time.
DELMIA Augmented experience is a key enabler of Spirit AeroSystems' digital modernization strategy. By integrating augmented reality and digital twin technology in our operations, we can create a more seamless integration across our product lifecycle. This improves accuracy, increases quality, reduces rework, and critically, increases collaboration across our teams.